How to read balance sheet? This will be a challenging and daunting task for many bankers who are coming from non-finance background. For them, this will look like a Herculean task. But let me tell you, reading balance sheet is a skill and you can develop that if you put your focused effort. Balance sheet is basically a statement which is going to show the financial position of the business. It is going to show what are the assets they have, what are the liabilities they have, how much owners have contributed. Apart from showing these numbers, you will also be able to relate many of them, not only within the balance sheet, but also you can relate them with the statement of profit and loss, and you will be able to come out with various meaningful conclusions. It's such a powerful statement, and it is the statement which is going to, or which is going to be seen as phase of a business. So it is very important you develop that skill. And how to do that? Our course on credit and financial analysis mastery will help. And if you wish to explore the course, just come and demo. We'll share the demo version so that you can take a call.